Nah, man, they thought they saw the brother on stage, just sort of undercover. He ripping that boom to the back, that keep up in the rap, believe in the rap room, what it's doing with the black eye, ripping hard that moldy style. His things stick up, believe he's not seek out. Fair skin, but not quite, they're not too cow. Out, my mama said knock you out. I come on with that core soul, but the watch the rappers more so. Got the toe tapping like Morse code through your feet. Sending out an SOS, got the zone on the beat. Oh, MC, I was born for the beats. With more bars in the farm for the sheep. Now I got it over within the arms reach, man, they take it to him and they know it's deep in the jeeps. And I'm just doing my thing. And I'm just doing my thing. I be doing my thing. What's up, man? I'm just doing my thing. Tell you what I represent. I'm doing my thing. And if I hadn't known, I'd be in this world standing alone. Tell you my own future, me and my microphone. Just a place where I can roam free. Without hope, I've always been nosy. Finally never go folks tea for society. Finally say goodbye to me, it hurts inside. The only hope lies in winning the lottery. It kind of frightens me. Knowing our people's prophecy just what I'm not telling you really decide to be. We make a mockery. So I'm stuck in the 5C. Marty the Mr. Proud, still it out inside of me. Everywhere I go, I got spiritual company. My tool for the guys, my life would just strive, be the breeder. Plant the seed to a torch on a tree. Then they grow to its fullest maturity. What time it needs. The blessing of time is on my door. It's up and he might have said this couple walkers to never get.
172 years ago, our Māori ancestors signed the Treaty of Waitangi with our European ancestors. And the kaupapa there is the same as the kaupapa we have today. Ko tahitanga. Ko tahitanga, unity, one love. Tihei Mauri ora.